Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say something about pollution of the environment in Dhaka. I am Shahidul Islam Sajjad. First of all, Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh, is one of the most densely polluted cities in the world, with rapid urbanization, industrial growth, and increasing vehicles. The city is facing a serious environment crisis. Polluted in Dhaka is affecting the health of its residents. The main types of pollution, including air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, garbage pollution, are famous problem in Dhaka. The air pollution already paled with smoke, vehicles and factories. The rivers around in Dhaka untreated industrial waste. Noise from loudspeaker traffic added to the suffering. Moreover, unmanagement garbage is the daily problem in Dhaka. Finally, I say, if we reduce pollution in Dhaka, we must need strict laws, proper garbage management, and public awareness and more green place. Everyone work together to protect the environment. We can build a better city, helpful city, green city for future generation. Thank you for everyone. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.